Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Collect materials before you begin construction to save time and errors. Use a 24-inch round board as the backing for a standard homemade dart face. Cover the board with a 1/8-inch cork sheet glued with contact adhesive for secure dart stops. Mark the center clearly and draw concentric rings at 3, 5 inches and 7 inches to approximate bull and triple zones. Cut holes for mounting and sand edges. Always wear safety goggles and clamp the board when cutting or drilling the perimeter. Prime the cork with one thin coat of gesso to prevent paint bleed and allow drying. Paint alternating wedges in contrasting colors using 30-degree stencils for consistent segments and clear visibility. Label each wedge with permanent marker numbers and include a central bull and outer ring values for scoring simplicity. Use acrylic paint for quick drying and apply 2 coats. Finish with a thin matte polyurethane sealer to protect the paint and reduce glare for reliability. Choose a wall and mount the board securely so the bull is 5 feet 8 inches from the floor. Measure the throw line at 7 feet 9 1/2 inches from the board face for consistent distance. Prefer soft-tip darts indoors to protect surfaces and use adhesive backing if needed. Mark the floor with tape for the osh and ensure players stand behind it for safety. Keep scores with a 301 or 501 format, subtracting points until a 0 finish is achieved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.